So I don't even want to imagine what condition my retainer would be in right now if I did not have Retainer Brite in my life. Hi, my name's Marlena, and I've been using Retainer Brite now for over 25 years. I can't believe it's been that long, but I had braces back in 7th grade. And at the time when I transitioned to a retainer, my orthodontist back then recommended Retainer Brite. And this is all I've been using over the last 25 years to keep my retainers free of odor, as well as to help prevent plaquey buildup on my retainers. And so with Retainer Brite, you can use these for any type of retainer you have, whether you have a wire retainer or a clear retainer. Right now I have my clear retainer in. And you can also use this for mouth guards. So using Retainer Brite is super easy. All you have to do is take a tablet and throw it into a cup of warm water. From there, you just take your retainer or your mouth guard and you put it in the solution. You let it soak for 15 minutes and then your retainer comes out squeaky clean. So in a second, I will demonstrate how to use it. Another thing I love about Retainer Brite, other than the fact that it's super easy to use, is that it kills 99% of common odor-causing bacteria, which I can say as long as I've had my retainer. Right now, I have my clear retainer in. This thing is very old and it has never once had any issues with odor. And that's just because of how well Retainer Brite cleans your mouth guards and your retainers. So what I'll do now is demonstrate how to use it. All right, so this is how the tablets come stored. So all you do is just take out one of the tablets. What I use is this little retainer tray. This is what I've had for many years. And so this is what I use. But what you're going to do, once you have your water nice and warm, you're just going to put some water into whatever container you plan on using. And then from there, you're just going to drop your tablet into the water. So once you have the Retainer Brite in the water, it's going to start frothing. So I'm going to show you what it looks like up close. So you can see it's bubbling. And so it's ready to go as far as putting your retainer in. So let me put my retainer in. All right, so I have my retainer and placing it in the water. And now from there, all you do is set a timer for 15 minutes. And then once that 15 minutes has passed, it's ready to go. I'm going to set my timer and I will be back once my retainer is clean. And that's it. So my retainer now is super clean. It has zero plaque or film buildup on it and zero odor as well. So yes, if you're looking for a good way to clean, whether that be your retainers or your mouth guards, I highly recommend the Retainer Brite, especially coming from somebody whose retainer is now old enough to vote and legally drink. This retainer is still in excellent shape because of Retainer Brite. I hope you found this video helpful and thank you so much for watching.